Welcome back. Today we're exploring what happens if you eat 2 cloves a day for a week. Can this tiny spice really make a difference? Let's dive into the science, history, and potential health benefits of cloves. Just remember, this is for information only, not medical advice. Cloves aren't just for holiday recipes, they've been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Modern research shows cloves may support liver and bone health, thanks to their powerful bioactive compounds. They're loaded with antioxidants, which help fight cellular damage, and may even help regulate blood sugar. Let's see how just 2 cloves a day could impact your health. The secret to cloves' remarkable power lies in a unique compound called eugenol. This natural chemical is what gives cloves their distinctive aroma and strong, spicy flavor, but its benefits go far beyond taste. Eugenol is a potent antioxidant and has been studied for its ability to fight bacteria, reduce inflammation, and even numb pain. In fact, eugenol is so effective that it's used in dental care to soothe toothaches and in traditional medicine for a variety of ailments. This powerful compound makes up the majority of cloves' essential oil, which is extracted from the dried flower buds. Clove oil is highly concentrated, and just a few drops can deliver significant health benefits. Scientists have found that eugenol can help protect cells from damage, making it a valuable ingredient in both natural remedies and modern pharmaceuticals. But eugenol isn't working alone. Cloves are also packed with flavonoids and tannins, 2 other groups of plant compounds known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Together, these compounds create a powerful blend that helps neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, supports the immune system, and may even slow down the aging process. Compared to other spices, cloves rank among the highest in antioxidant content, making them a true superfood in the spice world. This unique synergy of natural chemicals is why cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine across many cultures. Whether brewed into a soothing tea, added to home remedies, or simply chewed, cloves have earned their reputation as a natural remedy for everything from digestive issues to minor infections, and even as a breath freshener. So when you eat just 2 cloves, you're introducing a complex mix of bioactive molecules into your system. These compounds get absorbed into your bloodstream, where they can start working to support your health, protect your cells, and help your body fight off everyday stressors. That's the real power behind this tiny but mighty spice. Eugenol, the primary active compound in cloves, is a true biological powerhouse. It has been extensively studied for its remarkable ability to fight off harmful bacteria, including notorious strains like E. coli. This natural compound works at a microscopic level, targeting the very structure of bacterial cells and disrupting their ability to survive and multiply. Scientists have observed that eugenol can penetrate the protective barriers of bacteria, making it difficult for them to develop resistance. It's not just E. coli. Eugenol is also effective against Staphylococcus, or staph, by breaking down their cell walls and causing the bacteria to die off. This unique mechanism makes clove oil a valuable natural alternative to synthetic antibiotics, especially as antibiotic resistance becomes a growing concern worldwide. But the benefits don't stop there. Clove oil is also a potent antifungal agent. It's been shown to effectively inhibit the growth of fungi like Candida, which is responsible for common infections such as oral thrush and yeast infections. By disrupting the cell membranes of these fungi, eugenol helps prevent their spread and supports the body's natural defenses. This is why clove oil has been a classic remedy for toothaches for centuries. Not only does it numb pain almost instantly, but it also fights the underlying infection, providing both immediate and long-term relief. Dentists often recommend clove oil as a natural solution for oral discomfort and minor gum infections. Eugenol's anti-inflammatory action is another key benefit. It helps reduce swelling and redness by blocking the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. This makes it useful not just for dental pain, but also for soothing sore muscles, joints, and other areas affected by inflammation. In fact, the pain-relieving effects of eugenol are so significant that they are often compared to those of over-the-counter pain medications. Yet, clove oil offers these benefits naturally, without the side effects that sometimes come with synthetic drugs. By incorporating cloves into your daily routine, whether as a spice in your meals or as an essential oil for topical use, you gain a powerful natural ally against infection, pain, and chronic inflammation. Cloves truly stand out as a versatile and effective remedy for a healthier life. Have you ever wondered what could happen if you made a small, consistent change to your daily routine? Imagine eating just 2 cloves every day for a week. What might you notice, and how could your body respond to this simple habit? In the first few days, you might be surprised by how quickly your body reacts. Many people report feeling less bloated after meals, as cloves can help stimulate digestive enzymes and reduce discomfort. You may also notice your breath feels fresher, since cloves have natural antibacterial properties that support oral health. Even the act of chewing a clove can leave your mouth feeling clean and refreshed. As you reach the middle of the week, subtle changes may become more noticeable. Minor aches and stiffness, especially in the morning, could start to ease, making it easier to move and stretch. You might find your energy levels are more stable throughout the day, helping you stay active and focused, whether you're at work or enjoying time with family. By the end of the week, the benefits can extend even further. Cloves are known to help regulate blood sugar, so you may notice fewer energy crashes and steadier moods. Their antioxidants and nutrients can also give your immune system a gentle boost, helping your body stay resilient. These changes might be subtle, but together, they add up to a noticeable difference in how you feel. Remember, the key to transformation is consistency. By making this small change part of your daily routine, you're giving your body the chance to build up these benefits over time. Track your progress, stay mindful, and see how much can change in just 7 days. We're not treating diseases here, but exploring traditional clove recipes that support wellness. From soothing teas to topical balms, these simple remedies have stood the test of time. Each recipe is easy to make and designed to empower you with natural options. Let's break down how to use cloves for common complaints. For bloating or sluggish digestion, try clove tea. Steep 2 or 3 whole cloves in hot water, cover, and let sit for 5–10 minutes. Sip after meals for a gentle, natural digestive boost. It's a simple ritual that can make a big difference. Clove water may help support healthy blood sugar. Just add 4 or 5 cloves to water and let it infuse overnight. Sip throughout the day for a mild, spiced drink. It's an easy upgrade to your hydration routine. Always consult your doctor if you have diabetes or take medication. For a sore throat or cough, mix ground clove with honey. Take a spoonful or stir into warm water for soothing relief. Clove fights germs and reduces inflammation while honey coats and calms. Use this remedy 2 to 3 times a day when you're feeling under the weather. For toothache relief, dilute clove oil with a carrier oil and apply with a cotton swab. Eugenol numbs pain and fights bacteria, offering temporary comfort. Never use undiluted clove oil directly on gums. This is a stopgap, not a cure. See your dentist for persistent pain. But for quick relief, it's a time-tested natural tool. For joint pain, melt shea butter or coconut oil, add clove oil, and let it solidify. Massage into sore joints for warming, anti-inflammatory relief. It's a simple DIY balm for everyday aches. Clove and ginger tea supports heart health and circulation. Steep whole cloves in fresh ginger in boiling water, cover and let infuse. Add lemon for extra flavor and vitamin C. This warming tea is a tonic for your cardiovascular system. Combine ground cloves and cinnamon for an immune-boosting, energy-stabilizing spice mix. Sprinkle on oatmeal, coffee, or yogurt for daily support. Both spices help regulate blood sugar and fight germs. It's a delicious way to stay energized and resilient. Cloves' aroma can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Hold whole cloves in your hand, cup over your nose, and breathe deeply. Or use clove oil in a diffuser for a calming effect. This simple ritual can help reset your nervous system. For sinus congestion, add whole cloves to hot water and inhale the steam under a towel. The eugenol acts as a decongestant and reduces inflammation. Breathe deeply for 5 to 10 minutes for quick relief. This classic remedy soothes sinuses and eases headaches. For athlete's foot or skin fungus, simmer whole cloves in water to make a strong decoction. Soak affected areas for 15–20 minutes daily. Cloves' antifungal power targets stubborn infections. Always dry skin thoroughly afterward. For nausea, steep crushed cloves in warm water, add lemon juice and honey. Sip slowly or inhale the aroma for quick relief. The combination calms the stomach and soothes queasiness. It's a refreshing, effective remedy for unsettled stomachs. For back pain or muscle spasms, infuse mustard oil with whole cloves. Massage the warm oil into sore areas for deep, penetrating relief. The blend increases circulation and eases tension. It's a traditional remedy for fast, natural comfort. For a sore throat, steep cloves in hot water, add salt and gargle. This soothes pain, reduces swelling, and fights germs. Gargle several times a day for faster recovery. It's a simple, effective home remedy. For brain health, toss toasted walnuts with ground clove and a touch of cinnamon. Walnuts provide healthy fats, while cloves offer antioxidants. This snack supports memory and focus. Enjoy a handful daily for a cognitive boost. For fresh breath, simply chew on a whole clove after meals or whenever you need a quick refresh. It kills odor-causing bacteria and leaves your mouth feeling clean and invigorated. The effect is long-lasting, all-natural, and completely safe. It's a discreet, effective alternative to mints. From digestion to immunity, cloves are a powerhouse hiding in your kitchen. Try these simple remedies and see how this tiny spice can support your well-being. Share your experiences in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay curious, stay well, and see you next time.